Ever seen a video and thought, why am I not the one dropping wisdom, making grand announcements, or nailing that killer sales pitch? Well, buckle up, because in today's ride, we're unveiling how AI animation Gravatars can transform your daydreams into digital dynamite. Stay with us until the end to explore how you can turn your silent dreams into pixelated masterpieces. Because actions speak louder, and pixels speak the coolest. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will showcase the top 3 mind-blowing AI avatar generators. So, are you ready to create your unique digital persona? Let's dive in. The first mind-blowing AI avatar generator on today's list is DID. In today's digital age, everyone dreams of becoming a content creator, whether to influence and inspire or to share knowledge by creating online courses. But let's face it, the journey is no walk in the park. It demands an abundance of creativity and a whole lot of hard work. That's where DID comes into the picture. Starting with only $6 a month, it's not only a friendly but also a feature-rich option. With DID, your content creation needs just got a whole lot easier. With ChatGPT-3 integration, you can kiss your worries goodbye. Simply write down the topic you're passionate about. Automatic script generation and an AI avatar is all set to take the stage and deliver a compelling presentation. It's that simple. For example, if you're a climate influencer and want to spread awareness among people, here's what you can do. Go straight to the sign-up option and create your account with DID. As you have signed up, it's time to choose the perfect plan according to your affordability, or you can use the free trial version. Next up, you can create your own custom AI avatar by just uploading your picture. After that, you need content for your audience. With DID, you don't have to take the hassle of spending hours on research and writing. Simply give the prompt in the prompt box at the right-hand corner of the screen, "Why is climate change an important issue?" and just wait to be amazed by the response. That's it. Your work is done. Press the Generate Video button, and in less than 5 minutes, you will have a complete video with awesome content, perfect lip syncing, along with language, accent, and tone of your choice. You can make your voice sound just as you like it. From terrified to excited to happy or encouraging, DID has everything for you. DID is definitely a useful AI avatar tool. But the next tool is on another level. This tool is my absolute favorite and also the sponsor of today's video. Say hello to Neiro AI. If you want to create a YouTube channel where you can share your nuggets of wisdom or become the popular influencer on Instagram that drops value-loaded bombs on its audience, then Neiro will become your best buddy. With its easy video generation and text-to-speech option, you'll have your video ready within a few minutes. Let us show how to harness the power of Neiro AI. Go to Neiro.ai. Start by setting up your free Neiro AI account using your Gmail address. After creating your account, log in and navigate to the Video Creation Studio. You can usually find this by clicking on the Generate Video button. In the Video Creation Studio, you'll have a range of avatars to choose from. Select the one that perfectly matches your video goals. I am selecting this young gentleman to resonate with my audience of teenagers and youngsters. The next step is to create a script. Click on the Create Script option and type your topic. I want a script on 5 easy business ideas for college students. My target audience is college students and fresh graduates. Wait for the script to be generated. After that, select the script from the 2 options. I am going with the first script. Next, I'll change the background by clicking on the Change Background button. You can select the background from the given options or upload your own. Once the background is sorted, scroll down to select the accent, voice, and tone of your avatar. Once done, hit the Generate Video option and wait for your video to be served on a platter, dashboard. You can send your video via email, download it, or simply share the link with your team for seamless collaboration. Neiro AI's other features like lip sync, voice conversions, text-to-speech, and natural language processing options are mind-blowing and helpful for creating any kind of video that you want for your social media feed, business pitches, or even a striking marketing campaign. There are endless possibilities for you with Neiro's superb options. And wait, the features don't end here. Neiro has integrated Canva on its platform to help its users generate avatars with peculiar human-like features and expressions that resonate with their style, persona, or brand's voice. With this feature, you can now also customize the voice of your AI avatar just as you like it. You can play around and have fun with Neiro AI, but the options with a free account are a bit limiting, so you can update to Pro whenever you want to unlock more features like advanced emotions and auto-script generation. And here comes the good news for our loyal brainiacs. Neiro is offering a staggering discount of 50% on its price plans for a limited time. So, what are you waiting for? The link to Neiro is present in the description box. All you have to do is visit their website and avail this huge discount offer today. The tool number 3 on today's list is Synthesia. Let's take a look at it. Believe us, there's nothing like Synthesia for creating impactful AI avatar videos. It's a powerful and valuable tool for big business owners and marketers. With its 140+ pre-made avatars and 120+ languages and accents, your characters spring to life from the depths of your imagination, giving you limitless possibilities for crafting unique and engaging content of the highest quality. Want a demo? Here we go. Let's assume you're a fashion brand owner looking to promote your product without dumping a hefty budget into production and actors. All you need to do is follow these simple and easy steps. Step 1, log on to synthesia.io. Step 2, in the trial version, we have 3 options to choose from: Synthesia Demo, Sales Pitch, and Complement. Step 3, we'll select Sales Pitch, and in the text box, we'll write, "Hi Ron, it's Mary from Z.com. Just wanted to share a quick summary of the important points from our proposal discussion today. I'll get you in touch with your onboarding partner soon. Thanks." Step 4, hit Generate Free AI Video. Step 5, quickly enter your name and business email address below. And that's it. The video will be sent to you via email. Creating engaging promotional content with Synthesia is just a breeze. But remember, Synthesia isn't free. You need to loosen up your pocket and pay $22 a month. But you might ask which one of them is the best. Believe us, it all comes down to your needs and affordability. But if you want to try one, I would prefer Neiro AI, as it is 50% off for a limited time. Grab the discount now from the link in the description. So folks, that's a wrap for today. Now it's your turn to go and try out these amazing AI avatar generators and let us know which one you enjoyed most. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest AI innovations. Take care and stay AI updated.